Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the summaries and synopsis of important works of literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss Anglo-Saxon Chronicle. Introduction. The Anglo-Saxon Chronicle is a pivotal historical document narrating the history of England from the Anglo-Saxon period to the Norman conquest. Compiled on the orders of King Alfred the Great and enriched by generations of anonymous authors, the Chronicle remains an indispensable primary source for early English history. Composition and origins. The Chronicle was first assembled during King Alfred's reign 1871 to 1899 and drew from various sources such as Bede's Historia Ecclesiastica, genealogical records, and smaller annals. By 1890, multiple copies were in circulation, housed primarily in monasteries where they were continually updated and supplemented. This process resulted in a rich and varied tapestry of entries reflecting the evolving historical landscape. Surviving manuscripts. Today, 9 main manuscript versions and fragments of Chronicle survive, with the primary ones identified by letters A through I. These manuscripts are preserved in prestigious libraries such as the British Library, Corpus Christi College, and the Bodleian Library. The Winchester Chronicle or Parker Chronicle A is one of the oldest, dating back to 891. Content and quality. The Chronicle covers a wide array of topics including the Wessex dynasty, the spread of Christianity, and Anglo-Saxon culture. It provides detailed accounts of significant events such as battles, political developments, and the reigns of notable figures like Aethelflaed, Lady of Mercians, and Alfred the Great. The entries vary in detail and quality, offering both extensive narratives and brief notices. Text of the work. The Anglo-Saxon Chronicle is notable for its use of the Old English vernacular, making it the oldest history of a European country written in its native language. The prose is straightforward and utilitarian, reflecting the practical purposes for which it was initially compiled. Over time, the Chronicle also included poetic sections such as the famous poem on the Battle of Brunanburh, which celebrated a decisive victory of the Anglo-Saxons over their enemies. This blend of prose and poetry provides a unique insight into the cultural and literary practices of the period. The later Peterborough Chronicle demonstrates the transition from Old English to Middle English, capturing the linguistic evolution in the wake of the Norman conquest. Historical reliability. While Chronicle is a crucial historical source, it is not without biases and omissions. The perspectives of the scribes, often influenced by their monastic affiliations, can affect the portrayal of events. Cross-referencing the Chronicle with other medieval sources is necessary to construct a more balanced historical narrative. Despite these issues, the Chronicle's comprehensive coverage makes it an essential resource. Significance in literature and language. The Anglo-Saxon Chronicle is notable not only for its historical content but also for its literary significance. It is the earliest known history of a European country written in its vernacular, demonstrating the development of Old English prose and poetry. The Peterborough Chronicle in particular shows the transition from Old English to Middle English, providing valuable insights into the evolution of the English language. Influence on later historians. The Chronicle significantly influenced subsequent historians including John of Worcester, William of Malmesbury, and Henry of Huntingdon. These historians adapted and expanded upon the Chronicle's entries, ensuring its central place in the tradition of English historiography. The Chronicle's detailed accounts and literary style continue to inform and inspire historical writing in England. Modern editions and availability. Over the centuries, the Chronicle has been published in several important editions. Edmund Gibson's 1692 Chronicum Saxonicum and B. Thorpe's 1861 edition laid the foundation for modern scholarship. Recent editions such as in the Anglo-Saxon Chronicle, a collaborative edition, and translations like Michael Swanton's have made the Chronicle more accessible to contemporary readers. Both original and translated texts are now available online, facilitating widespread study and appreciation. Conclusion: the Anglo-Saxon Chronicle remains an unparalleled resource for understanding the history and culture of early England. Its detailed narratives, despite their occasional biases, provide a rich tapestry of the era's events and societal shifts. The Chronicle's linguistic contributions further underscore its significance in the study of English literature and language. As both a historical and literary artifact, the Chronicle continues to be a focal point of medieval scholarship, offering timeless insights into the Anglo-Saxon world. So this was the discussion on Anglo-Saxon Chronicle. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other work. Until then, goodbye and thank you.